Hi lovely people, it's Rachel from ELLIEBETHDESIGNS UK and I'm just sharing a short video with you today to share really exciting news that I am going to be at the Southwest Planner Club convention in October. This is being held down in Bridgewater on the 10th and 11th of October, and I shall be there with the shop, and also we're running a workshop. And Lucy, my golden retriever, has currently got her head on my knee and she is very excited about it too, aren't you, Lucy? She's really excited too. So if you want to get more details about that, I'll leave all the information that you need in the description box down below, and you can head on over to their website. It is a full weekend event, however you can choose to go on, I believe, either day or both, although if you only do one day you're going to miss out on pizza, prosecco, pyjamas and planners on Saturday night, and what better combination could there be? So I hope you're all having a fabulous day, and I'm really excited to see those of you who are coming to the convention in October. And if you are in that area or thinking about travelling, head on over and find out as much as you can. As I say, everything's going to be linked down below. Until next time, lovely people, take care and bye bye for now.